What up, folks? This is Yogs from DC Modworks. Welcome back again to another new build episode. Today, we will be building a full ROG gaming rig. So let's cut the chase and start with the building process. If you're new here in our channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. Alright folks, that was it. It's a wrap. I hope you like our video. And oh, by the way, this is Jong.
Hi folks!
So Jong is one of our crew here at DC Modworks Studio. And also we have a special guest for tonight. So let me call him Levi. So Levi is the owner of this rig. So what you can say about your rig, your new rig?
Just one word, awesome. And thank you to DC Modworks, especially to Kuya Yogs and Kuya Joe for helping me out my project, computer rig and rig.
So again folks, thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it. And if you're new here on our channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. So once again, this is Yogs, this is Jong, Levi. Thank you for watching and have a good day.
Subscribe!